What's up everybody, my name is Lee Bartow, and today I'm going to show you how to make some good old-fashioned smack and cheese. That being said, let's get right to it. This is Cooking with Style. Step number 1. Measure out your pasta shells and throw them into boiling salted water and cook them for about 2 minutes less than what the box recommends. Step number 2. Let's get all of our ingredients ready for the base of our cheese sauce. Now let's add our heavy cream to a sauce pot and start to bring it slowly up to a simmer. Now add your cayenne pepper, your garlic powder, and your onion powder, and whisk it thoroughly so it fully incorporates. Step number 3. Let's get our cheeses ready. We need some diced American, some shredded Swiss, some shredded mild cheddar, and some shredded sharp cheddar. Step number 4. Now that your cream has reached a simmer, you want to add in those 4 delicious cheeses and incorporate them fully so that way you get a velvety smooth texture with a wire whisk. You want to make sure that you slowly add the cheese so that way you can completely incorporate it and you get a velvety smooth texture with no lumps and no clumps. Step number 5. Now it's time to make the topping. Some fresh breadcrumbs, Panko breadcrumbs, paprika, seasoning salt, and garlic powder. Make sure you mix it evenly so that way it's all fully incorporated. Step number 6. Let's add our strained cooked pasta to our velvety cheese sauce mixture and make sure that we mix it thoroughly so that way all of the shells are fully covered in that delicious cheese sauce. Step number 7. Pour all that delicious macaroni and cheese that you just made into a baking dish and get it ready for topping. Let's start off with the fresh shaved Parmesan cheese. Next, you want to top it with that breadcrumb topping that you made earlier. Make sure that you cover it evenly, that way you get a nice, solid, even crust. Step number 8. Place it in a 400-degree oven uncovered for about 30 to 35 minutes. Step number 9. Once you've reached that golden brown, let's take it out of the oven and let's let it rest for a minimum of 10 minutes. That way it has a proper time to set. Well, we finally made it. Now it's time to serve this beautiful, delicious side dish with a little bit of fresh parsley and a little bit more shaved Parmesan. Sit back and enjoy what you just created. Thank you for watching. The ingredients of this dish are listed below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and make sure you click the bell so that way you get updated on future content.